When it comes to car camping, there's gear out there that'll make the setup feel just right. You want gear and gadgets that make camp feel natural, turning any place into a good spot to settle. Keeping that in mind, our today's video will be on amazing car camping gadgets and accessories. Let us get started.
The Adventure King's 200-watt folding solar blanket offers car campers a compact and efficient way to harness solar power for charging batteries and running appliances while out in nature. This updated model features a quick connect plug, making it easy to connect to various solar accessories. With a power output of 200 watts and a size comparable to a laptop, it's designed for effortless storage and transport. The blanket consists of 6 panels made from grade A monocrystalline solar cells, all encased in durable polyester fabric. Setup is a breeze. Just unfold the panels and lay them flat on the ground. A roof rack or even a windscreen. When paired with a solar regulator or DC-DC charger, the blanket can output up to 20.7 volts at 9.67 amps, potentially delivering an impressive 16 amps of charge when connected to an MPPT solar regulator. Compact when folded, the blanket also features a front pocket for holding solar leads and regulators. Combining the practicality of a traditional tent with innovative vehicle integration, Healthy Caboose Tent redefines car camping. This 4-person shelter offers generous headroom and a spacious vestibule that can be easily connected to your vehicle, creating a comfortable rumpus room on wheels and ensuring quick access to your gear. Setting up the caboose is straightforward. Start by laying out the tent body and staking the corners on level ground. Then assemble the poles, ensuring each segment is securely seated. Next, insert the equal-sized poles into the quick corner fabric sleeves and flip the X poles into the tent body. With assistance, slide a long pole under the X poles, flip it into place, and secure it with grommets. After draping the rain fly over the tent, back your vehicle up to the vestibule and use straps to secure the awning over your rear wheels. The caboose adapts easily to your needs, offering versatility for any camping adventure while providing shade or shelter from the elements. When it comes to enhancing your camping experience, the empowered Lucy solar sidelights stand out as a versatile and essential gadget. This innovative set includes 6 lights, 6 stakes, a USB-C charging cable, and a waterproof silicone band, all neatly housed in a charging case. The lights conveniently charge via a magnetic snap in the case, displaying an orange light while charging and switching to green when fully charged. The stakes fit snugly in the case, allowing you to use the lights as illuminated tent pegs, or you can hang them from cords for added flexibility. With multiple applications, these lights are perfect for illuminating campsites, pathways, and the inside of your car. They feature adjustable brightness settings with low, medium, and high modes, and their long battery life ensures that the low mode lasts up to 20 hours on a single charge. Each light covers 165 square feet, illuminating a total of 1,000 square feet with all 6 lights.
When you're out car camping, comfort and warmth are key. Whether you're sitting around the campfire or settling in for the night, a solid blanket can make all the difference. That's where the Rumple Puffy blanket comes in. It's not your average blanket. This thing is made from the same high-quality materials as sleeping bags and insulated jackets, which means it's designed to keep you warm without the bulk. The best part? It's lightweight and super packable, so it won't take up much space in your car or gear. Not only does it provide warmth, but it's also water repellent, making it ideal for unpredictable weather. Spilled some coffee or got it dirty on your trip? No problem, it's machine washable. The Rumple Puffy blanket also has this cool stitching that mimics natural flowing lines, adding a sleek, modern look to your camping setup. So whether you're curling up after a long hike or just enjoying the sunset, the Rumple Puffy blanket keeps you cozy and comfortable without the hassle of traditional, bulky blankets. When setting up camp in the wild outdoors, nothing compares to gathering around a fire with friends for delicious barbecue nights. The Ignik Fire Can makes it easy and safe to enjoy a campfire anywhere. Its durable, compact ammo can design with collapsible legs, and a removable lid ensures it fits anywhere and sets up quickly. The mesh sides enhance heat and flame visibility, while the 38,000 BTU output keeps the place warm. The Fire Can includes a 5-foot quick-release hose and adjustable regulator for easy setup. With propane fuel and 144 minutes of burn time, it's perfect for any outdoor car camping adventure, keeping the fire off the forest floor and providing a safe, cozy atmosphere. A very few campers had the luck of not suffering from mosquitoes when they roamed around the countryside and stayed at those places at night. But taking no risk, you can gear up for the next car camping with the FlexTail Evo Repel. This portable gadget combines double-sided heating technology with mosquito repellent, heating up to 329 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 minutes. With 2 modes, it offers up to 14 hours of protection with a 10-foot range or 8 hours with a 30-foot range. The built-in lantern delivers 3,000 lumens with adjustable brightness and color temperatures, perfect for any setting. It doubles as an emergency charger, recharging in 2.5 hours and powering all devices up to 3 times. The Evo Repel's magnetic base, 270-degree rotating bracket, and IPX5 water resistance make it adaptable and durable. Whether you're camping or just enjoying the outdoors, this versatile gadget ensures comfort and safety. Rooftop tents and wasted precious camping time setting up or packing away, the Hitch Home is here to change that. We found this innovative solution eliminates those difficulties, allowing you to make the most of every second of your adventure. This detachable air tent attaches to the car hitch receiver and inflates in under 3 minutes. Just hook up the pump and let it do the work while you explore. This tent provides 22% more space than any average rooftop tent, offering a cozy, spacious retreat for up to 3 people. No more ladders, wind noise, or reduced fuel efficiency. Plus, you can still use your vehicle and sunroof. The built-in air mattress, supported by sturdy aluminum panels and adjustable legs, ensures a comfy night's sleep even on rugged terrain. Whether solo or with friends, Hitch Home's roomy interior makes every camping trip more enjoyable. Finally, an easy, convenient way to enhance outdoor adventures without the usual tent headaches. After a day of adventure and camping chores, nothing beats an outdoor movie with your fellow camping buddies. To get such a theatrical vibe, check out the Nebula by Anchor Mars 3. This projector delivers a giant 200-inch screen in 1080p resolution with 1000 ANSI lumens brightness, transforming your campsite into a cinematic experience. With built-in AI, it automatically adjusts the screen brightness, ensuring all get the best view every time from every corner. Running on Android TV 11.0, it provides access to 400,000 plus movies and shows including 7,000 plus apps. And with Chromecast and Google integration, setup is easy. Roam Power technology supports a 185-watt capacity, giving 5 hours of movie playtime and 15 hours of music. Built tough for the outdoors, it boasts IPX3 water resistance, drop and dust resistance, and even includes a camping light. The 40-watt speaker with Dolby Digital Plus delivers immersive audio. During summer camping trips, a sound sleep and a cool environment is more crucial than anything else. The Zero Breeze Mark 2 portable air conditioner helps keep the temperature cool in the tent, ensuring you rest comfortably and wake up refreshed. Weighing just 16.5 pounds, it's easy to carry and set up anywhere. With a powerful 2300 BTU capacity, it can drop the temperature by up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes. It runs on a 24-volt battery, giving you 3 to 5 hours of cooling on the go. Keeping the campsite or car clean and organized is crucial, but challenging. Yet this can be managed by the Kelty Trash Pack effortlessly for eco-conscious adventurers. This rugged, vehicle-mounted pack handles waste management and firewood hauling. Its semi-universal mounting system attaches to various vehicle types, with a durable 600D poly exterior and vinyl-coated interior to withstand sun, rain, and wind. Interior loops keep trash bags organized, and the foam-padded back protects the vehicle. Features include 6 coated steel hooks for secure mounting, a zippered front pocket for essentials, compression closure straps for compact storage, and a bottom drainage hole for easy cleaning. Fill it up, sort it out at home, hose it down, and tuck it away for the next adventure. Attaching the trash pack is easy. For a rear spare setup, relax the straps, position them around the tire, and tighten. For a van door, hang the pack using the top straps, connect the bottom hooks, and adjust the tension. Enjoy the adventure responsibly with the Kelty Trash Pack.